Hi there, students. To put forth. To put something forth. Okay, forth meaning forwards. So, for me, the first and obvious meaning of put forth is to put forth an idea, to suggest something for consideration, to suggest an idea. So you put forward an idea, or you could put forth an idea. Now, I think this phrasal verb put forth is quite interesting because normally phrasal verbs are informal, but I think this one gives the phrasal verb an old-fashioned feeling, and I think I might even give this a formality of something like 6. Normally phrasal verbs score a 4.5. So to put forth, to suggest something for consideration, to put forward an idea, to put forward a suggestion. I put forth various ideas at the meeting. Okay, I put forth suggestions to resolve the problem. The mayor put forth various plans to deal with unemployment in the area. I want you to put forth any new ideas that you might have. So to suggest, to propose, to let people know about something. But we can also use put forth for various other things. To begin a journey. So what time did you leave? Well, we put forth at about 5 o'clock this morning. Or very often a ship, particularly a ship. The ship put forth on the high tide, to leave a port and go out to sea, to put forth. We can also use this phrasal verb meaning to produce shoots and leaves. So now it's spring and the plants are putting forth their first leaves, their first buds. They are pushing them out. Okay, so to put forth, the tulips are putting forth their first leaves. The daffodils are putting forth their flowers. And then we can also use this meaning to exert, to put forth activity, to put forth energy. Okay, so to put forth, to push at something, to try to do it as hard as you can, to put forth. Okay, to put energy into something. Okay, put forth. Okay, so to put forth, to you use your energy to put forth as much effort as you can, to try really hard. So he hasn't put forth much energy this term, and that's why he hasn't got such a good school report. Okay, so to put forth, you put forth a motion, you put forth a new theory, you suggest. Arguments were put forth for changing the rules of the game. He put forth some new ideas. Okay, he put forth his vision for the future. And then the ship put forth from Dover and arrived at Calais 90 minutes later. That would be the ferry. Okay, so to put forth, to suggest something, or to put forth energy, to put energy into something, to expend effort. They played well, but they didn't put forth enough effort to win. If you don't put forth your best effort, you're not going to get the promotion that you're looking for. So you put it forth. You put forth an idea. Separable. The ship put forth. We set forth early. intransitive. You need to put forth your best effort. Inseparable. Okay, so at the end, so different meanings, different ways to put forth. To you're going to have to put forth more effort if you want to succeed. You need to put forth. You're not pulling your weight. Okay, so to put forth. So I guess enough. Put forth, formality. I put forth an idea. 6, informality, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. To the ship put forth at high tide. 6, informality. You're going to have to put forth more effort. Maybe 5, informality. And I guess the idea is putting forth, putting forward. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Put forth.